I'm Willie Nettle, minister for the Bypass Church of Christ in Vicksburg, Mississippi. I've been there since '87, a new church plant. I graduated from HST, which is the Harding Graduate School of Religion, in '87, my MDiv. Then I came back in 2004 to receive my Doctor of Ministry in 2004. HST has meant the world of difference to me. It's blessed my ministry. I've been there in Vicksburg now 31 years. Uh, the school has enhanced my ministry. I believe it has enabled me to stay in Vicksburg the number of years that I have to do some effective ministry. We've been able to merge one congregation with another congregation. A predominantly white congregation merged with us in 2005. And so in terms of leadership development, in terms of mentoring, in terms of just digging deep into the text, being able to exegete and make God's word live in the lives of people and minister to people at different levels and develop leaders and mentors. It's been just a tremendous blessing to me and my ministry. I will always be grateful for the training and the mentoring that I received at HST from the professors, from that community. It's been a tremendous blessing in my life. I thank God for the school. I'm a supporter of the school, and I'm on the advisory board as well. And I'm just tremendously blessed because of HST and the education that I received.